Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, share, or subscribe. You can also press the bell icon so that you'll be informed when new videos come out. You may also go to my website, scottrulon.com, or join my Facebook group on personal financial mastery. All these links are below. Today we will be talking about multiple streams of income. 6 income streams that add up to 6 figures. Number 1, multiple income streams versus a paycheck. I grew up in Flagstaff, Arizona in the 70s. The cable television industry was in its infancy and the internet did not exist. My understanding of career opportunities was very narrow. While my father worked at Northern Arizona University, we could at times struggle financially. This made me develop an unhealthy relationship with money. Have you ever run out of money before you've run out of money? You'll understand my dilemma. I became driven to do much better. Unfortunately, my parents only knew of one way to earn an income: get a good education, find a job, and work hard. They hoped to increase their income through small, regular pay raises. I had a lack of understanding of the opportunities available. Exactly what was available for increasing my financial situation remained a bit of a mystery. I assumed the only way I would make it out of my situation was to become an accountant. Sadly, other than a doctor or lawyer, that was the highest paying job I could think of at the time. Through my tenacity and willingness to never quit, I went to finance school and an MBA program to land a good job with an accounting firm. For an instant, I hoped that I had it made. However, after a few weeks at my job, I was frustrated. I focused on the money part. I never stopped to smell the roses and consider what kind of life I wanted. Things like relationships, travel, hobbies, and exploring new ideas never entered my mind. I soon realized that it would be foolhardy to earn all of your income from a single source. One misstep, one economic downturn, or even a global pandemic could send you into financial disaster. Fortunately, I found another way. While I would never tell anyone not to get a job or follow their passions, I do want to spread the word that there are alternatives. You do not have to make all of your income from just one source. If you are no longer inspired by your career or have no idea what to do, I would ask you to explore your interests and build several smaller streams of income over time. Just like huge rivers are composed of many small streams, you can build a 6-figure income out of multiple small income streams. You don't just need one idea or one high-paying career to make it happen. What are the advantages of multiple income sources? I began building one tiny income stream online in 2018. Today, I make a healthy 6-figure income from all of those sources combined. When I began building those income streams, I was working 60 to 70 hours a week at my day job. Finding time to work on my side hack was a bit challenging, but it can be done. The best part about this approach is that it has allowed me to explore many different interests and increased my skills far beyond what I could have ever imagined. My fears about money decreasing if something were to happen to one or two of my income streams. But I still have others that can keep me afloat until I replace the lost income. Here are a list of my 6 income streams. They are really more like categories. When you add them all up, they result in a 6-figure per year income. If you have access to the internet, most of these choices are available. I do want to explain that these did not happen overnight. Rather, I took small steps to build them. Each one was built over a span of several years. Here are 6 income streams: affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's when you promote a product in exchange for a commission on each sale. I know that affiliate marketing has somewhat of an unsavory reputation online, but listen for a moment. The secret to affiliate marketing is to find products and services that you already use and that you've had a good experience with. For me, this means promoting products I buy from Amazon through the Amazon Associates program. I also promote software that I use in my online business. Some affiliate programs offer residual commissions, which make it easy to increase my monthly income month after month. Next, always look for legit offers. Anyone can make money promoting poor products in the short term, but if you want to play for the long term, focus on quality evergreen products. Medium writing for Medium.com has become one of my favorite ways to earn additional income in 2021. On Medium, you have the option to sign up for the Medium Partner Program, which pays you based on how many people have viewed your stories and how long they spend reading your content. However, the Medium Partner Program isn't the sole benefit of writing for Medium. You can also incorporate affiliate links into your articles when appropriate. Just make sure you disclose the link. If you write quality pieces, people will take notice, and it can lead to more opportunities later on down the road. YouTube. While my YouTube channel is still growing, it's on its way to monetization, and I can see that there is a great potential for it to grow into a significant income stream in the not too distant future. YouTube offers a great deal of leverage for your time. In addition to making money through the YouTube Partner Program, you can also promote your affiliate links and other offerings to your audience. Number 4, digital info products. Digital products like online courses, templates, ebooks, and digital workbooks could be a six-figure business all on its own. At selected points in the past, it has been for me. The best part about creating digital products is that they are money-making digital assets that you can sell over and over again without incurring enormous additional costs. Once you create them, their potential profit is nearly unlimited. Number 5, consulting. Consulting is when you get paid to give advice or guidance in an area in which you have expertise. I have worked hard to acquire knowledge and experience in a couple different niches over the years. Once you have demonstrated that you have knowledge in an area through writing about your topic or Medium or LinkedIn or creating videos for YouTube, I have found that people will reach out and ask you to consult on problems they are trying to solve. For example, my experience as an accountant has led to entity consulting opportunities with small businesses, or as I like to call it, dress for entity success. I help them choose what kind of business entity they need. However, you don't need an advanced degree in order to be a consultant. You could be a self-taught expert in Facebook, Bing, or SEO and consult with people who need help in those areas. Number 6, investments. My last income source is from investments. This is more of a long-term strategy. I make a significant income in investment markets, but I've still committed to growing my stock and annuity portfolio each month. While security and other fixed income investments can be subject to market volatility and loss, investing has been a way for me to multiply my money and create an additional passive source of income. Now is the time to create multiple streams of income for yourself.